In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a discount code in Clickfunnels. We're going to walk through adding the Discounts app to your account and setting up a coupon code that customers can use at checkout. This is perfect for promotions, seasonal sales, or rewarding loyal buyers, and we'll keep it simple and clear. Start on your Clickfunnels dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click the option labeled Plus Add an App. Clickfunnels uses apps to extend features, and the one we want is called Discounts. In the app directory, find Discounts and click Add App. It only takes a moment to install. Once it's added, you'll notice a new Discounts option appear in your main menu on the left. Go ahead and click Discounts to open the Discounts app. Inside, look for the button that says Create Discount. In some versions, you might see Create New Discount. Either one works the same way. This opens the settings for your new coupon. Now fill out the discount details. Start with Discount Name. This is just for your internal reference, so customers won't see it. Choose something descriptive like Summer Sale or VIP Launch, so your team can identify it later. Next is Coupon Code. This is the exact text your customers will type at checkout, such as Save 10. Keep it short, simple, and easy to remember. Avoid spaces or confusing characters to reduce typos and support questions. Choose your discount type. You can pick percentage, like 10% off, which scales with the price of the item, or fixed amount, like $20 off, which takes a set dollar amount off the total. Percentage discounts are great for broad sales, while fixed amounts can be ideal for higher-priced products or specific promotions. Enter the discount value. For a percentage, type the number only, like 10 for 10%. For a fixed amount, enter the dollar amount you want to deduct. Decide where this discount applies. You can apply it to all products, to specific products, or to specific collections. If you choose specific items or collections, simply select the ones you want the code to affect. Collections are helpful when you want to group related products, such as a seasonal lineup or a category-based offer. When everything looks good, click Create Discount or Save to finalize. Your coupon code is now active and ready to use. Share the code in your marketing materials and remember to double-check the name, type, and value so the discount behaves exactly as intended. That's it. Your discount is live in Clickfunnels. Thanks for watching and happy selling.